mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. May 31, 2024. Karera sa araw ng Biyernes, starting time alas 5 ng hapon. Lahat ng 7 races ay may distansyang 1,200 meter run. Muling araw ng karera sa buwan ng Mayo. Ang buwan ng Mayo ay Cervical Cancer Consciousness Month. Umpisa natin ang ating mga cool tips. Race number 1, first choice number 1, Boss Uno. Second choice number 6, Golden Petita. Race 2, first choice number 1, Be Smart. Second choice number 3, Sis Royal. Race 3, first choice number 6, Calle Loreto. Second choice number 3, Within Reach. Race 4, first choice number 5, H.E. Holly. Second choice number 6, Tawi Tawi. Third choice number 3, Bang. Race 5, first choice number 3, Malibo Princess. Second choice number 7, Alasabon. Race 6, first choice number 3, Maybell. Second choice number 7, Queen Louise. Last race, race 7, Paratingan. First choice number 7, Bonnie Avenue. Second choice number 3, Lady of Peace. Third choice number 4, 7 of Diamond. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!